Buyer activity has been higher on the shore over the past several weeks as inventory rose only minimally. It's Friday, October 17th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Homes for sale on the shore rose 0.7% to 2,286 units. 101 homes will be coming to the market at a $425,000 median list price. 143 homes went under contract in 19 days at a median list price of $379,900. This is 35% fewer contracts than last week's report. Homes sold rose 42% to 143 units in 19 days at 97.2% at a median $404,000. Homes for lease rose again this week to 165 units at a median $2,200 per month, falling from last week's $2,338 median dollars. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, October 17th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.